my next video, I'd like to do one on an app called Good Guardians. And you can find this app in the Galaxy Store. You can't find it in the Google Play Store. It's in the Samsung Store. Okay, so it's called Good Guardians. Let's go ahead and tap that. Now, Good Guardians is a lot like the app Good Lock. It's a suite of applications made by Samsung for Samsung phones only. So they work really well together. They're made specifically for Samsung, so there's no hiccups normally. There's always a hiccup, I guess, but these normally work hand in hand with most Samsung phones. And Good Guardians has been around for quite a while. Good Lock just came out with an update, but this video is going to be about Good Guardians. There's a lot of things, as you can see, that you could do in here. Specifically, I want to go over App Booster. So since there's a lot of new updates coming out, every time it's just like a PC. If you don't know how this works, when it writes, it doesn't write all the information in one nice little area. It just kind of randomly writes it all over the memory. What this does is this optimizes, for want of a better word, your apps so the phone actually runs better and more efficiently. Now, it does not, it says you don't want to improve, you're not going to improve your performance unless it's up to 15%. So I've already run this, improve performance. I'm only going to get 5% if I run it. Yeah, 5% is a lot, but it's not worth doing. Some applications may be restarted. Your device may heat up during optimization. It'll tell you the runtime, 5 minutes. Only optimize applications used in the past 30 days. You can tap that or leave it untapped and it'll do all of them. As you can see, I have quite a few apps. I have 675 apps. So if I hit optimize, there's what it's going to do. It does all of them. If you notice, you look at some of these names, they're system apps even. So a lot of these you can't, like Hiya something or another there, just showed that I know for a fact is a system app. So this is going to go through all of them, and I don't want to stop it, so let's just let it finish. If I stop it, it might hurt something in the middle of it. But as you can see, it just continually goes through optimizing your apps. If your device is overheating, optimization may be stopped. It does use, it's very processor intensive, so it's going to use your processor to optimize all these things. But the phone does run better. I can be a proponent of it. I can give you testimony that it for sure runs your apps more efficiently after it's done. And the longer you let it go past 15%, the better the optimization is going to run. So there it says all apps have been optimized, done. And then we go back to the App Booster. And let's see what it says here. Yeah, it still says 5% and 5 minutes. So yeah, it doesn't really do a whole lot if it's just 5%. And there's nothing really to set on this except for those things, and only optimize applications do, so I leave them, run them all. But I do this every time I get either a system update or a Google Play update, any kind of update, and then I go and I check it, and then I want to see if it says more than 15% of my performance, then I'll run it. Otherwise, I just kind of leave it alone. So that's my video on Galaxy App Booster in the app Good Guardians. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.